We'll guide you through how to create Claude prompts with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Log in with your account details. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a section labeled Create New Prompt. Click on that to get started. Now, you'll see a blank text box where you can type your prompt. When creating a Claude prompt, it's important to be clear and specific about what you want. Start by identifying the topic or task you want Claude to assist you with. For instance, if you're looking for advice on writing a blog post, you might start with something like, "Help me brainstorm ideas for a blog post about sustainable living." Be sure to include any specific details or constraints that are important to your request. After you've written your prompt, look for the Settings option next to the text box. Here, you can adjust parameters such as creativity level and response length to tailor Claude's output to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your prompt and settings, click the Submit button. Claude will take a moment to process your request and then provide a response based on your input. You can review the generated content and make any necessary adjustments. If you're happy with the result, you can save it for future reference or use it as is. Remember, the key to effective Claude prompts is clarity and specificity. The more precise you are with your requests, the better Claude will be able to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.